A wind tunnel model of Tejas Mark I aircraft was seen with dual rack pylon carrying two ASRAM missiles, which is a key upgrade for both the Tejas Mark I and upcoming Tejas Mark I-A, as it will allow the aircraft to carry two close combat missiles on a single weapon station. Amid some delay on Israeli shipments of MRSAM components, Israel has ensured that all delivery obligations will be met by the end of the financial year, and localization and technology transfer will continue as per the established work-share arrangements. The Indian Cyber Force has announced that it has successfully penetrated the CCTV network of the Pakistani police, disclosing compromised IP addresses and login credentials through various social media platforms. Garden Reach shipbuilders have launched the fourth anti-submarine warfare shallow water craft for the Indian Navy. The DRDO has unveiled the weapons package of the upcoming twin-engine deck-based fighter for the first time at the Dubai Airshow 2023. That includes the Mach 3.5 capable air-launched BrahMos NG supersonic anti-ship cruise missile, Rampage standoff weapon system, Astra Mark I and Mark II air-to-air missiles, GORAF and Gautam precision-guided munitions, Rudran 1 anti-radiation missile and naval anti-ship missile medium range. The DRDO has unveiled its upcoming SRSAM short-range surface-to-air missile mobile air defense system for the first time at the Dubai Airshow. That will be a truck-based air defense system based on the Navy's vertical launch short-range surface-to-air missile. The SRSAM is designed to engage high-speed airborne targets at a range of 50 km and at an altitude of around 15 km, and will provide inner circle protection against aerial threats for both the Indian Army and Air Force. MIT Chennai is all set to supply 500 cargo drones to the Indian Army that will be used for logistics operations in the northeast and high-altitude regions. The drone has a range of 20 kilometers, and it can carry 20 kilograms of essential supplies to remote border observation posts, and it can navigate through challenging weather conditions like fog, rain and gusty winds, and will utilize proximity sensors for smooth landings. Economic Explosives Limited has successfully demonstrated its indigenously developed Nagastra loitering munition to the Indian Army at the Infantry Commanders Conference, which has already been ordered by the Indian Army. It carries a 1 kilogram warhead and has an autonomous mode range of 15 kilometers, an endurance of 60 minutes, and has an indigenous content of more than 75%. India's MKU Limited has sent shockwaves across the world by unveiling its next-generation ballistic helmet Kavro Doma 360 at the Milipol Paris 2023, that offers uniform protection in all 5 zones of the head, against threats like the AK-47 mild steel core, 7.62mm, M80 ball round, and M193 5.56 by 45mm NATO bullets. Ahead of the rollout of the DRDO light tank prototype next week, new reports indicate that Larsen & Toubro will manufacture only 59 tanks, while the remaining 295 tanks will be produced by other Indian companies after a bidding process, in which 3 companies Larsen & Toubro, Bharat Forge and Armoured Vehicles Nigam Limited have expressed interest to participate. Today's top 3 comments.